guys. So if you watch my other parts, here's what I got of my lemonade kind of slime. Then I took my finger because I wanted to feel it. If you use an actual funnel, I would suggest washing it. So yeah. Hold on. 18 minutes. So. Then you would take your spoon, turn that off, take your spoon and kind of mix it up. And then if you made a mess, clean that up so it doesn't dry like I did. And what you would do, you would kind of mix it up somewhere, and I would add some more water. And by the way, this is my new version of slime I made. I know what I'm going to name this video. Okay, so I did some other parts I might not post and just show you this. So all you need is lemonade, pour it into a bowl, take water, mix that, take your funnel, take your cup or whatever, and I know it would be weird just to keep it in here, but you need it in like a small container, I guess you would say. Funnel it, and then take your spoon, add water to it, mix. Then what you can do is, if you want, kind of take it. Not really slime, I would say, but it's like, and then you can kind of do cool stuff with it, I guess. I've never done this, so. Take right hand. Oh, look. Ah. Yeah, it is basically slime. And be careful if you're having like sores or whatever. It might sting. So, I have some gloves over here I'm going to put on. Because I have some bad spots. It hurts. Oh, and here's a tip. When you're pulling in like your lemonade powder, and you don't want it in your mouth, close your mouth. And the hard way. I have some gloves. I got a lot of sores on my hands, so, well, most of my fingers. So now what you can do, and if you need to, you can also use like your bowl or whatever. What I'm going to do is, since I kind of mix some of it, pour it back in. Don't actually use a cup, so, because then it's just going to be useless. So, let's see. Now I'm going to mix this up again. So I have more water. I'm mixing it. I'm going to set that off to the side. I don't want all that stuff to drip. It's all mixed up. I'm going to do this. I'm going to pick. It feels so weird. Like, it's like slime, but better. What it is look. Look at that. See, it's not really slime, but it's like, I don't know what it is. And look, it's like gets harder. I think it's soaking through. I think it is, because that's my fingers are burning. I'm pretty sure it did. Pretty much. Oh, good one. I'm done with my video. I'm just done, so I'm going to empty that out. And if you have extras, that's okay. You can play with it. So, I'm done. Bye.